Before we get into today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and smash that subscribe button to stay up to date with all my amazing Minecraft videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man Smooth Marky, and in today's video we're going to be heading to the Ben 10 dimension. That's right guys, we're going to be heading to the absolutely amazing and awesome Ben 10 dimension, guys, and hopefully he can teach us how to turn into a big, strong, nice alien. Although it'll probably be like a little mean, stinky alien instead. We'll be a really stinky alien. Like, we're gonna stink a lot. We're gonna be Mr. McStinky Pants. But what you're gonna need to head to this dimension is you're gonna need 20 lime wool. You're gonna go ahead and place 5 of those on the ground, just like that, right there, guys. Then you're gonna need fur white wool. You're gonna go ahead and place 1 of those on each side of your lime wool, just like that, right there, guys. After you have done that, you wanna go ahead, jump on up, grab your lime wool, and then place 5 of those on this side with 1 white wool right on top, guys. Now you just want to go ahead and you want to jump on down. Son of an alien, that hurt. Now you want to place 5 lime wool on this side, guys, and then 5 lime wool in the middle, and then you just want to go ahead and you want to place 1 white wool on the edge. Now you just go ahead, run, and jump on down and take a look at this absolutely amazing, beautiful, epic frame you have just created. Now you just want to go ahead, whip out your flint and steel, and light this baby up. Boom! Wow! Don't that look absolutely amazing? That looks so amazing. That would definitely make me want to scroll down and smash that red subscribe button. But now it's time to go ahead and head on in to the Ben 10 dimension. This is going to be so amazing, guys. So amazing. Oh my god, I didn't know he lived in a mansion. He never told me he lived in a mansion. Wow, this is absolutely amazing. Wow, I gotta go inside, guys. I gotta go inside. I gotta talk to him and ask him what's going on with this mansion. And whoa, it is beautiful. Oh my god, he has a little place where you can just sit and get nice and toasty, guys. Wow, and oh my god, does he have servant pigs? Oh my god, come on over here and give me a drink. You know what? I got my own pig. He'll give me a drink. Come on. Are you going to give me a Coca-Cola? He's even leaving. Wow, I cannot believe that. I cannot believe that. Are you guys servant pigs or not? Oh no, I'm the servant? I'm supposed to be serving you guys? Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. But wow, oh my god, he has an absolutely humongous TV. I bet he watches Smooth Marky on that TV all the time, guys. Probably all the time. You know what? I gotta hug it. If I had a TV that big in my house, I would hug it every single day. There wouldn't be a day I wouldn't hug it. I would hug it all the time. But oh my god, is this his kitchen? Oh my god, this must be where he eats his food. And oh my god, that must be where he gets his food, is out of the fridge. Wow, this is amazing, guys. And oh my god, don't tell me. Don't tell me. This is where he cooks his food. Oh my god, and he has a cooked chicken. You know what? I'm taking that. I am definitely taking that. And oh my god, he don't have anything in that one. But that's going to be some delicious eating next time I get hungry. But whoa, oh my god, he has a Jeep. Oh my god, he has a Jeep. Wow, guys. Come on, let me inside the Jeep. I need to get inside the Jeep, guys. Oh my god, I was almost inside. I need inside the Jeep. Boom, there we go, guys. Wow. This is absolutely amazing, guys. Wow. I cannot believe that we was actually inside Ben 10's Jeep. Wow, I didn't even know he had a Jeep. I did not know he had a Jeep, but wow, that is amazing. That is absolutely amazing. Let's go ahead and try to find Ben 10. I'm not for sure where he's at. He has a bat problem. You know what? I'm going to take that bat out. Come here, bat. Oh my god, whoa, where'd the bat go? Come on, bat. I'm not going to lose sight of you. Like, when I try to take out bugs, I usually end up losing where they went, and then they get me later on. I'm not going to do it with you. Oh, wow, I took him out. Guys, because I'm the best exterminator in the business. But let's go ahead and look in here, guys. This looks like it might be his office. It don't look like he's in his office right now. It might be his dad's office. Whoa, this must be his mom and dad's bedroom. Pretty nice bedroom. Nice jumpable bed as well, guys. And they have a good view of the pool out back. Oh my god, I think that sheep's about to go for a swim in the pool, guys. Let's go ahead and head on out of here, guys. And whose bedroom is this? Oh my god, it's Ben 10's. It's Ben 10's bedroom. Wow. How are you doing, Ben 10? Can you tell me how to turn into an alien? Where's your watch? Oh my god, he ain't got his watch. It must be like hidden away in the safe or something. I don't think he wanted me to get a hold of it, guys. Wow, I cannot believe that. But you do have a nice bedroom, and wow. This must be his bathroom. Wow, this must be where he takes his showers, guys, to get nice and clean. And then this must be his sink where he washes his hands to get them nice and clean. And then you guys probably know what this is right here, guys. This is the stink bucket. That's what I call that. And oh my god, wow, right here's his tub. This is obviously where he also gets clean. And he probably creates a lot of bubbles. Ain't that right? If you're anything like my pig, you probably create a lot of bubbles. But you know what I'm going to do now, Ben 10? I'm going to blow this place out with TNT, and I'm going to find that alien watch one way or another, guys. He's not going to hide this from me. He's not going to keep the alien superpowers all to himself, guys. I really need some alien superpowers, guys. And right now I'm desperate. I know he's hiding it from me. He's claiming that it's in for maintenance. I know he's just lying to me, guys. And you know what? I'm going to find it, guys. I'm going to find that watch through blowing up Ben 10's place, guys. So here we go. Let's go ahead and light this TNT up, guys. This is going to be amazing. This is going to be an absolutely amazing explosion. Oh my god, boom. Oh, snap, guys. Whoa, is he going to go to his bedroom? Is he going to go to his bedroom? Oh my god, I see it lighting up in his bedroom. Oh, wow. Oh my god, wow. We really blew up his place. Now, Ben 10, where's the watch? Where's the watch at, Ben 10? You can tell me. I'm your friend. Did he hide it behind the TV set, guys? I don't think so. Maybe he hid it underneath his bed. Why is this place so big, guys? I'm never going to find it. I'm never going to find it. Just tell me where it's at, Ben 10. I'm your friend. I'm your friend, Smooth Marky. You can tell me anything. It's not like anybody's watching us. Yeah, there's a lot of people watching us. But if you guys did enjoy this video and did enjoy seeing me try to find Ben 10's alien watch, which I still don't know where it's at, guys, please make sure to like, comment, and most importantly, smash that red subscribe button. And until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.